In order to fill the application form for NEET 2021, you need to first go to NTA NEET website and then scroll until you find fill registration form. You click on it, you will be taken to the next page, and there you have new registration. Click on it. You can see these instruction and procedure for online submission of the application form, which you should read. It's given in English and Hindi both. The tuition fee, the application fee for general category candidates is 1500. For EWS OBC candidates 1400, and for SC ST and PWD candidates is 800. You read out all the instruction carefully, and after reading it, you need to select the checkbox and click here to proceed. Now there are 4 steps that you need to proceed with. The you can see on the top: registration, application form, document upload, and fee payment. So you need to enter your name, that's under candidate name, father's name, mother's name, and your date of birth as per certificate, gender, nationality, identity type, and the number corresponding to that identity type. You need to enter your present address, and you need to enter permanent address. In case both addresses are same, you need to check on the checkbox same as present address. These are the basic information they are asking to fill out. And here important thing is password. You need to set a password. You enter the password and repeat the same password in the confirm password, and you need to set a security question and answer that question. You need to remember all password and security question and its answer, so that in case you forget, it will be helpful for you to reset your password by going to forget password option. And there is a security pin, and that you need to enter here, and then submit the form. After you submit the form, you will be taken to the next bullet point, that is application form. So after you're done with filling the application form, the first tab, and you submit it, you will be asked to verify the particular checklist to be verified. Like my name, you have entered your name at the place of candidate name, father's name, mother's name, these are mandatory, date of birth, gender, address, mobile number, and email ID. So you have to first check all these things, and after you submit the form, you will get option to revisit that the first tab which you have filled. You can edit as well. So just make sure, although you have the editing video, but make sure that whatever you are filling, you do a double check before that. You prepare all the information in pen and paper before you go ahead and type in your application form, because plenty of time is available until 6th of next month, August. You have the time, so don't be hurry while you filling the application form. That's why they have given a verified checklist. So you need to check all these checkboxes, and then you read the declaration that whatever you given is correct up to your knowledge, and then you need to check again I agree checkbox, and then you need to do the final submit. Once you do the final submit, it means you are now ready to go ahead and process with the next step. So once you click the submit, after checking all the checkboxes, then you will see registration is in green, means you have done with the filling the registration form, and then now you need to fill up the application form. See, don't get confused between registration form and application form and all, because they have just given the names for different names for different tabs. Overall it's NEET UG 2021 application form. One part they say registration, for other part they have named application form, for the third part they have named document upload, and the final part fee payment. So you can see the tab which you are currently active into is in blue color. So anytime you can view your registration form. Okay, verify your mobile number and verify email ID, you must do it, and you can see the current status. Registration form is completed and next 3 steps are incomplete. Okay, now I take you to the next screenshot. So you can click on complete application form, so that it takes you to the application form. Once you click on the complete application form button, which is in orange color, you will be taken to the next screen, where all the details that you have filled, it will be shown filled, and on top of that I am just showing you what are the extra information that you need to fill, which will be coming as unfilled in application form tab. So state or union territory from where you have completed your 12th or equivalent degree. So past or appearing. So you need to select here whether you have passed or first you need to select. Okay, so you need to select the state, and self declaration upload as per the rule, and you need to select the category. So 2 options you have, past or appearing. So in case you select the appearing, you have written the exam in 2021 and you are appearing candidate, you are awaiting your result, then you should not select past, you should select appearing. In case of past is selected, you will be asked your score. Okay, but in case of appearing, they won't ask your score. Okay, you can select your category, and then if you are PWD, you select yes or no. Are you diabetic? Are you suffering from diabetes? Select yes or no. Country of residence, you can select, if you are from India, you can select India, otherwise other country. And do you intend to wear customary dress contrary to the dress code while appearing in the NEET examination? You select no, you want to follow the dress code. Okay, and now moving to the next. You need to select the question paper medium. As I already told you in the previous videos that there are 13 options as part of language. You can select any of it from the drop down, and you have got 4 options to select: exam, state and city. First drop down is corresponding to exam state, which state you want to select your city choice in, and like that there are 4 options which you can give, and all 4 options should be different. So select your state and the city for examination state. Okay, now once you have selected all the city details, then you have to enter your examination education details. So pass status, 12th or equivalent qualification details. Pass status, you need to select appearing if you have just written your exam and awaiting result, but if you have passed the exam, then you can select accordingly. Year of passing or appearing, once you select appearing, it will automatically say 2021. You don't have to select anything. Qualification exam code, in case of appearing, it will automatically give you 1. I will create a separate video. There are actually 7 options for qualifying exam code, and what is the meaning of those 7, I will create a separate video. It will be very lengthy if I try to cover each and everything in single video, so I'm dividing it into multiple videos. Type of colleges: urban, rural. options are there. You can select qualifying examination state, which state you have done your 12th, qualifying examination district, and you have to select board, whether it's CBSE board, ICSE board, and or your state board, and result mode. Now moving to the next screen as part of our second tab, application form. School board, you need to enter your roll number, which I don't believe is mandatory, and school college name, school college pin code. After you enter, you have to enter this security pin, which is displayed on the screen. For you, when you are filling the form, it will be generated dynamically, so you need to enter the CMP in case sensitive format, and then click submit. Okay, in case if you have not filled any information that is required, they will ask you to fill again and verify it. Once you submit, then it will take you to the next step, and before that you have to again verify your checklist, like from the first tab: my name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, category, question paper medium, examination cities, educational details. So they are just giving another chance that all these information you just re-verify, so that you don't have to go for editing option after you fill the application form. And then after you check all the options, then you have to check the I agree and click on the final submit. Once you do the final submit, it means you are verifying, and then clicking on the final submit, it will take you to next tab. Now once you have done the final submit, then you can see the registration and application form both are coming in green and tick mark. It means both are filled up successfully, and you are into document upload section. Now you have to upload the document, and you can see the application progress status, view registration form, view application form. It means you have filled already, that's why you can view it. And verify mobile email ID, you can do these things up in any step. Application current state, registration form, application, both are completed, but document upload documents is incomplete. And then you have the option to upload the documents, and you click on upload documents. Once you click on upload documents, you can see registration application and all the documents that you need to upload. It will be uploaded from here. They have given you let me tell you what are the documents. Your passport size without mask, 80% of the face should be covered in the photo. Okay, and it should be in JPG format. Minimum size 10 KB, maximum size 200 KB. In case you are not able to do it, if you're not you don't know how to do it online, there are applications online. You can crop it, or you can resize in particular size. If you don't have any idea, you can take help of cyber cafe people. They will help you out, because they are very handy in doing those things. You need to upload left hand thumb impression, same size 10 KB to maximum 200 KB. Signature you need to upload, the size should be 4 KB to 30 KB. And postcard size photo. Postcard size photo is small photo, equivalent to the postcard size. It should be in 10 KB to maximum 200 KB. You need to upload those things, and after you upload, you will be taking to the last step, that is fee payment. In case of general category candidate, you need to pay the fee of 1500, and you have date of paying the fee up to 7th of August if you are doing by online mode. See, all these process if you are doing, you are not bound to do in one stage, in one go. You can keep your registration details filled up, which you are very sure about. In case you are not sure about particular detail, or you want to collect it or get it from somewhere, like document or any other thing ready, then you can go ahead like filling the partial information, and after a couple of days or like few hours, you can fill the remaining details. Just have to make sure that you remember your password and security question and its corresponding answer, so that anytime you can log in through username and password and continue with the steps where you have left. Okay, so there is no need to panic. And if you have any question, because I believe I have covered all the steps, and these are real steps, not last year but the 2021, and these are the only things. In case you are doubtful about anything, don't fill the application form. First gather the information, get the clarification, because you have more than 20 days to fill the application form. So first make sure that all the information that you are going to fill is correct up to the best of your knowledge, and then only you go ahead. So that's it. I think I have covered all the things that I wanted to cover as part of this video. If you have still any question unanswered, you can ask us. We will get back to you. You can message us, or if you want to avail our paid services, you can talk regarding that as well. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.